What's good? What's good? Coming at you with a late night video. It's currently 11:28 p.m. here in South Africa. We're going to go over Iota, which has gone entirely parabolic. We're sitting at 51 cents. We're up 36% in the last 24 hours. And in the last 7 days, a whopping, wow, that's insane, 137%. Market cap, 1.84 billion. 24-hour volume, 1.62 billion. So if we pop into the chart, let me zoom out for you guys. Off the bear market low, as you can see, the bear market low is right here at 10 cents. We had a wave one. This is the best I can chart it right here. So we had a wave one to the upside. We had a wave two pullback. This pulled back to the 50% retracement. So if you take a fib extension from the bear market low to that wave one, the wave two, you can see wave three has pushed all the way up to the 361.8. And the max extension is usually the 425%. So that could be the top of the wave three right there. And now you're going to pull back in the wave four. Let me quickly give you guys a target zone. Take a fib retracement from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3. And then basically what you're looking for is a bounce in between the 23.6, which we've already touched. So you could bounce from here, and the 50%. So the price targets for that are 49 cents and 37 cents. So we've already touched it, so it can push up in the 5, and then it would be pushing up into some pretty major resistance in between 62 cents all the way up to about 81 cents for our friend Iota. So if we complete that 5-wave move, what you'd be looking for is a deeper pullback and then continuation. Of course, it's a bull market. Coins are going parabolic. Bitcoin dominance is breaking down. So it's hard to do TA or a little bit inaccurate at times when these coins are just going absolutely crazy. But that's what I'm looking at. We've already touched the wave 4, but if it does come deeper, look for a bounce from the zone up in the wave 5, and then you would look for a deeper pullback. The wave 5 can overextend, but it will be pushing into major resistance. Pull back into 2, continue to push all the way up. I don't really have a long-term target for Iota because I'm not following it that closely, but I will continue to do some short-term analysis, and maybe in the next few videos I'll look for a long-term price target. But crazy to see it up 40% on the day and over 100% on the week. We're currently in multiple trades. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, we recently hit our TP on Matic or on Polygon. All you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. Will literally take you 30 seconds. No KYC, no VPN. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. It is available worldwide. When you sign up through my link, you get 10% back on every single one of your fees. All you have to do is sign up. It takes 30 seconds. Send me an email. I'll give you completely free access, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many projects. My exact crypto trade setups. We're in, I think, 3 or 4 trades right now. My Forex trade signals, as well as you can see everything that I'm invested in when I'm taking my profits, as I give updates for that. And one of our members is giving trade signals all day long. All you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. It takes 30 seconds, and you can get completely free access. Most people would charge $50, $100, but I'm just trying to help you reach financial freedom. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.